the manual. I'm the founder of Max Forex Academy, an academy that was established to educate and equip existing and prospective forex traders with the accurate information required to trade forex profitably. I'm also the creator of the max price action strategy. I've also produced two videos on forex trading, one for beginners and another for experienced traders. If you're watching this video and you know nothing about forex trading, I would employ you get the video for beginners, the course for beginners, and if you are experienced trader and you're still having challenges or difficulty making profits consistently in the market, then I would recommend the mastery course or the advanced course for experienced trader. Now, I do this every week. I drop my buyers on major currencies, okay, and I'm doing this for the week starting 10th of July. 10th of July. So, depending on the time you're watching or you see this video, if you're seeing this video after the 16th of July, if you see this video after the 16th of July, every information shared in this video has become invalid. Okay, it has become outdated. Okay, and also if you want to be getting access to these videos weekly, I would suggest that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be having getting access to this video on a weekly basis. So that when I drop it on the channel, you receive notification. Okay, so the first pair we'll be looking at is Australian dollar USD. I also want to sound a note of warning. If you're not an experienced trader, if you don't have a strategy that you trade with, please do not execute this setup. Don't execute this setup. I assume you are an experienced trader. You understand the risk involved in trading. You know the appropriate lot size to apply on every trade you execute in the market, and you have a strategy that you're trading with. This is just my own view, okay? It's just my own view, and it's strictly for educational purpose only. Okay, so you should be experienced, understand the risk involved in trading, and also have a strategy that you trade. If what I will be sharing in this video aligns or conforms with what you have, okay, or what you're trading with, then you can execute the trade. But you're doing that at your own risk, okay? You're doing that at your own risk. And ensure that every analysis done here is properly done, okay? So, but at the same time, I'd recommend that you look at what your strategy is showing you, and if it's in line with what I'm sharing with you in this video, then you can execute the trade. But ensure you apply good risk and money management, and you must also understand that this market is a very dynamic market. So the analysis I will drop this today before the market opens, there's a likelihood that when the market opens, things might change. Things might change. So if you want to be following signals, I drop signals, accurate signals, best entry price in case there's change in the dynamics of the market. I drop signals for those who follow me. Okay, so you can subscribe for that also. Okay, you can subscribe for that. If you're interested in signal service, you can just drop me a message on WhatsApp or give me a call. If you want immediate response, I'd suggest you use WhatsApp. Okay, so the first pair I would be looking at is the Australian dollar USD. Let's go to the chart. Here we have, I start with let's see what we have on the monthly chart. Okay, you can see on the monthly chart, everything here is looking bearish. You can see the market range for some months. It's been ranging on the monthly time frame, and we have a candlestick here. Last month's candlestick closed. It closed bearish. You can see we have some weak. These are weak candles here. Last month's candlestick closed bearish, which indicates that we had lots of sellers in the market last month. Sellers dominated the market from the beginning to the end of the market. Sellers dominated. Okay, so and currently today is um, 9th, yeah, 9th of July, and you can see we have something that looks like a doji, but we can't tell until the month ends. That's when we'll know if it's gonna end with a doji formation. Okay, so let's go down to weekly. If you go down to weekly, let's see. Okay, here on the weekly, you can see here we have support here. This is a support. Excuse me. This is a support. Okay, this is a support, and the market just tested that level, and it closed above that support level. Now, if I'm to buy this coming week, I would wait for the market to close below that level. If a bearish candlestick, a 1 hour or 4 hour bearish candlestick closes below that support level, I might consider selling Australian dollar USD below 7472. Let's go down to daily. Let's see what we have on daily. So on daily, we have a new support here on daily. Okay, so this is a new support. So wait for 1 hour or 4 hour to close below this level before selling. We sell below this level. Now we have a resistance level here. So if the market closes above that level, I might consider buying. So I'm considering selling below this level, okay, and buy above this level. If I buy above that level, I think my take profit, first take profit will be at this resistance level. And if I'm selling below this level, my first take profit target will be 7.4. That's a break below this support level. Break below the support level. So I could set my take profit around this level, below this support level. That's my take on Australian dollar USD. You could consider buying above this level, or you sell below this level. Let's see the formation we have on 4 hour. Okay, so here is our 4 hour. Last week candlestick, last 4 hour candlestick closed doji. This is a doji, which indicates weakness on the buyer side. Indicates weakness on the buyer side. So the market opens, like I said, if 1 hour or 4 hour candlestick closes below this level, I will consider selling. But let's see, last time frame I look at is 1 hour time frame. So you can see on 1 hour we have what looks like an engulfing pattern here. Okay, you can see this is an engulfing pattern, and here we also have support, resistance level turn support. So you can see this price is a good price to consider selling Australian dollar USD. But let's see how it plays out. That's my take on Australian dollar USD. Let's move to the next pair. So the next pair is CHF JPY. CHF JPY. So we are looking at CHF JPY. CHF JPY. Okay, so let's start with the weekly time frame. Here we have the markets got to a resistance, a support level, and there was a strong rejection from that level. There was a strong rejection from that level. So I would consider selling if the market successfully breaks this level. That's using the weekly time frame. I will consider selling, okay, from that level. Sell from that level, and let's see what we have on the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. Then I might consider buying above this level. Yeah, that's a good entry for buy. Buy. So these are two levels I'm looking out for. If the market breaks above 120.76, I would consider buying, and if it closes below 119.27, I would consider selling. I could also consider selling, taking my first sell trade below this support level. Okay, that will be my first entry to sell CHF JPY. Okay, so wait for the market to open and see. Let's see how it all plays out. Okay, so let's go to the next pair on our list. So sell below 119.27. You can also consider buying above 120.76. Let's see what we have on 4-hour time frame. Okay, so we have this formation on 4 hours. So if it closes below this level, and you can see this level on 4 hour is acting like, you can see we had, you can see, so that's a support, no resistance, turn support. First at this point, this is a resistance here, this is a resistance here, and this resistance level, two resistance levels, previous resistance level had become a support. You can see after the break above that level, you can see this candlestick closed above. So these two levels have become a support level. So if the market successfully breaks and closes below the support level, that will be a good price to consider selling CHF JPY. Let's move to the next pair. So the next pair on my list is Euro USD. Euro USD. Let's start. Let's see what we have on the weekly time frame. Okay, so this is our weekly time frame. We had a support level here. The market tested that level and it's experienced a strong rejection from that level. And here we have a resistant level. This is a resistant level, and if market closes above that level, I would consider buying above 1.1936. I would consider buying, and if the market closes below 1.1854, I would consider selling Euro USD. But let's see what we have on the daily time frame. Okay, so we have here, there's a support here. You can see this is a support here. So if the market closes below 1.1854, that will be my first entry. And you can see on daily, you can see this entry price where I considered my entry price on a daily is a previous support level that has become a resistant level. This is the previous support level that has become resistant level. So if the market successfully closes below this support turn resistance level, then it will be a good time to consider, a good price to consider selling Euro USD. And if you want to buy, like I said, you can buy above this level. That's my take on Euro USD. Let's move to the next pair. So the last pair we'll be looking at is the Euro JPY pair. Euro JPY pair. Let's see what we have on the weekly time frame. Also, it's just crossed, it tested a support level and it experienced a strong rejection from that level. So that would be a good level to consider selling if market closes below that level. You can also consider this previous resistant level to support. So if market closes below 130.18, that would be a good price to sell Euro JPY. Okay, let's see what we have on daily. So that is that for Euro JPY. Then if you want to buy, if I want to buy, then I might consider buying above this level. I might consider buying above that level. So that's my take on Euro JPY. Now this analysis I'm dropping uh, for day traders or swing traders. This trades might last for 3-4 days. Okay, the minimum target or profit target is 70 to 80 pips. 70 to 80 pips. And our risk on every trade does not exceed 50 pips. Our profit target is between 70 and 100 pips. 70 and 100 pips. Okay, so that will be all for this week. If you want to have access to setups on all currency pairs, then you have to either get uh, the beginner course or the mastery course. You enroll for the beginner class or the mastery class. That's when you have access to uh, my buyers or my view on all the currency pairs. Then you can choose which of the pairs you want to trade for that week. Please ensure you apply good risk and money management on every trade you execute in the market. If you have any question as regards forex trading, if you need help, feel free to send me a message on WhatsApp. Send me a message on WhatsApp and your questions will be attended to. Thanks for watching. I wish you a profitable trading week.